There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
We're gonna take a quick walk and explore a little bit before it gets dark. I think Seth's coming too. He's getting his camera. Hey, Moo-moo. Here's some of the camping information. So it is 14 days in any 45-day period. Is it doo-doo?
It's not doo-doo, it's lava.
Not doo-doo. It might be prehistoric.
Ew!
Ew, it's prehistoric doo-doo. She threw it at me. That does look more like doo-doo.
Don't blame it on the dog.
So they have the railroad bridge here. Wow, it's kind of short. Look, they have a bridge walk for you. I guess this railroad bridge was built in 1936. I believe this is a wash we're walking through. It sure looks like it. Hey, you need to come tell Mick to grab some stuff. Pan for gold.
We will be. He will be.
Oh, here's the path. Oh, someone has their tent right there. That's cool. There's a tent right there. I hear the water, y'all. They have plenty of campfire rings here, but there is a burn ban. You can't burn any wood or any charcoal, anything like that right now. The only thing you can use is propane fireplaces or stoves. There's the river. Are you gonna jump in?
No, it's really slippery down there. So he kind of fell, so
Oh, did you? Are you okay?
he's gonna lie. No,
It's pretty though. I'm not gonna go any further down though.
no, not with
Yeah,
not
it's
with
just
flip-flops
because
on.
it's steep right
Yeah.
there.
Well, he came around the rock and hit the sand. And it's so
See, he should
slippery.
have went around this way. There's another. There's another path this way.
Yeah.
That is much easier. I probably shouldn't speak too early. Yeah, we're almost down. Wow, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, it gets kind of rapid up that way. Go. Whoop. Something got you. All right. Oi.
Careful. Well,
There's an easier way down.
it's pretty, baby.
Where? Oh yeah, across the way. These are perfect for tent camping. Back here. Oh yeah, this is a much easier way across. Oh yeah, that is pretty.
Oh,
It's another.
I thought it was a fossil.
It's another petrified poop.
I thought it was. Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, this is a nice. This would be great for tenting.
Yeah. You know, we could.
Oh, look
bring-
at the fireplace. The
Oh, cute.
camp's place, whatever the heck.
Yeah, that's cute. Boy, it's sure been used a lot.
Yeah. So they have a band burn right now, though, right? Because we
A
saw
band
this.
burn?
Yeah, a fire burn.
Is that how you say it?
Yes,
Oh,
I
good,
meant
think
burn band, not band burn.
Oh, that's
Dang it.
funny.
Yeah.
Your band burning?
We
Yeah, I'm
were
band
saying
burning.
it backwards.
Does that
I'm
mean you
burning
burn the
some
band burn
bands.
signs?
Yeah. We were saying it backwards.
I always say things backwards like that.
That's a good hike down
I
there.
just left it.
Yeah.
Oh, but look, they have cacti here.
Yeah, I saw it all over. There's a way to get where?
To the other side of the river.
Oh, where?
Right over there.
Oh, crossing the rapids?
No, there's like a bridge.
Oh. Look, right there seems really calm. You can go take a bath. That's where Terry can wash her hair and stuff. It's cold. Oh, is it? Okay.
Look, this is like the perfect little place.
Wow, isn't that beautiful? Hey, girl.
It's gonna be even more slippery.
I know.
More slippery? No, more
But look,
slippery.
right there. That's a perfect place to go down, and
But it's all tiny though, so I'm afraid.
it's not that bad. Go ahead, be careful, girl. Luna's coming to protect you. Well, maybe not. Hey, that's a perfect spot, girl. Is it really cold? Oh, is it that cold? What you smelling, Moo-moo, huh? What you smelling? Pine? Oh my god, that is cold.
And that's, I warmed up coming up here.
Oh my goodness.
In the earth.
That's cool. I like that. It's done in chalk.
Yeah.
Where?
Up under here. I can't see down there.
Here, I'll use the camera.
Okay, is there any?
No, there's no paintings.
Jeez. That's boring.
Ed!
What?
I guess nothing's been by. Well, it's not like it's really shiny, like something's been on, you know, over it, but at the same time, it's not overly rusted.
So you don't know if it's in use, you mean?
Absolutely. I could put my ear on it. But there's lots of plants growing up, like where I think the train would have cut them out, you know, like
Right.
you would think. Well, but then again, look at that's broken off. So something has been on it.
Huh.
You know, I mean, they're not growing.
Yeah, I think it's still in use.
But
Yeah, not a
But
lot.
see, otherwise,
but-
you know, you look at this, and it wouldn't be broken.
Oh, I want to come up here and do a picture right in the sun.
You know, we can always like tie you up like a distressed maiden.
You would like that, wouldn't you? I can get ready.
Scotty can save you. You can save her.
You're devious.
I can be the train.
You're gonna come along the train tracks,
Yes.
I'm gonna wait
Up,
some.
and then the train comes by. Woo woo.
Well, it's almost that time. The sun's almost getting ready. It's almost that time. The sun's getting ready to set. It's definitely a beautiful, beautiful area. There's a guy on that mountain. He's been climbing since we got here hours ago. The road we came on does continue, and I believe there are more campsites down there. I believe this one is called Elephant Rock, but that rock doesn't really look like an elephant to me. Yeah, I guess it does look like an elephant from this angle. Definitely. So you can see the snow-capped mountains there. Well, it's not really. So you can see there's snow on the mountains over there. And there's base camp. It already feels like it's going to be a cold, cold night. The sun is gone and it's starting to drop in temperature. Actually, I believe I was mistaken. There's homes there. I don't know if there's any more camping past this point. Moo-moo, look! It's a dinosaur egg.
And what is in Auntie Terry's house?
Mm-hmm.
Nothing. Nope.
She smells some cooking. That's what she
Yes,
smells.
She smells kibasas.
Come here, Moo-moo. Look at the dinosaur egg. It's an egg. Yeah, smell it. Smell it. You gonna protect it now? Okay. Well, everyone, I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Love y'all.
We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken